Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Rida. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you that how we can jump to a particular section of a web page, which is also the name of this folder which I've opened in Visual Studio Code. I've just created a file name index.html and I'll be doing rest of all the work with you guys because I want to do everything from scratch if here's someone who is beginner, so it will be ease for that person. I'll I have simply written a exclamation mark here, and this emit abbreviation which is automatically provided by VS Code will show us a boilerplate template code, and we can generate it. It is auto generated and we can add it simply by clicking on it like this. I am changing the title of this web page, which is document by default, as provided by emit abbreviation. I am setting it to jumping to a section of a web page. Web page. Hope you like the title. So now moving on, that how we can jump to a particular section of a web page. First of all, I'll be creating several sections here, and I'll be giving a ID. I'll be setting this ID to about, and I'll add some dummy text here. You can add your text as you uh, need it. As per your need, you can add the text. You can add generate the dummy text by writing lorem, and number of digits you'll write after that, it will generate that number of words for you. I've created a about section here, section with ID about. Now I'll be simply duplicating it. Now I'm going to change this ID. I'm setting the section, this ID to contact, this to services, this to portfolio, and this to footer. Okay, so assume that there are several sections about this is about the about of the page, the contact, the services, the portfolio, and the footer. So now how we can jump on to these section. First of all, we'll have to create a nav here, and in nav we'll be going to create a UL, a ally, and the ally will contain a link. For example, I wanna go to about section, and I also wanna go to contact section, also to services and portfolio, and then footer. So let us see that how it is showing us the code. So it is showing us like this. Okay, let me expand the text. Let me add some more stuff so that there'll be a large, paragraph inside this section like this. And after a section, I am writing a br to differentiate that here this particular section is ending for your ease basically. Okay, now it is almost done. Alt Shift F. By pressing this, you can format your code like this. So this is now pretty good. This is first section, about section, this is contact section, which we know, but how to navigate through these? I'm clicking on footer and nothing is happening. I'm clicking on about and nothing is happening. So how to navigate through all this? All we have to do is we'll be going to our anchor tag, and in href attribute, the id which we have given to a particular section we'll have to put here, hash about, hash contact, hash services, hash portfolio, hash footer. Now let me show that if it is actually working or not. Let me first check out the footer. I've clicked on footer and see I am on the last of a web page. I've clicked on portfolio and I've come here, portfolio. For more elaboration, let us add a heading here, h1 about, ठीक है जी, h1 about, for about section, h1 contact for contact section, h1 services for services section, and then for portfolio, h1 portfolio, and last for footer. So now it is looking much better. Now when I'll be clicking on here, we are on the top of the page, and when I'll click on footer, I'm here at footer. When I am at the top of the page, I'll be clicking on portfolio, and here I'm on portfolio. Now I'll click on services. Here I am at services. I'll be clicking on contact. Here I am on contact para context section. When I'll be clicking on about, I am at about section. So here is all the thing I've elaborated, that how we can navigate through a different section of a web page. This is a single web page and there are different several sections here, and we can navigate through it like this, like this. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, thumbs up. Thanks for watching.